Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide Instagram comments, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide Instagram comments, first open up your Instagram app, and over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on it at the bottom right, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icons. Now guys, in order to hide comments on Instagram, we'll be required to take 2 or 3 steps, so let's go do that. Now first of all, you'll be required to go to your account's privacy, where it says you can see the account privacy. Tap on that, and in order to hide your comments guys, first you'll be required to make your account private, and only your followers and the person you follow will be able to view your comments or comment on it. To do that, simply tap on the private account button over here and the toggle icon at the top right corner, and then your account will be made private and many of your comments will be hidden. And after this step, go back, scroll down, and over here you can see the comments option available for us just below the tags and mentions. Tap on comments, and over here guys you can see you can allow comments from, or you can just block comments from. You can filter out your choice over here, where it says you can see currently the comments are allowed from everybody, but you can filter out these by tapping on these. Or let's go back, and you can block comments from the personnel whom you don't want to comment on your posts on Instagram. Let's go back guys. After doing these filtrations, many of your comments will be hidden. And let's go back, and from over here guys you can see the hidden words option available for us. Again, just below the limited interactions, tap on hidden words, and on this interface over here you can see there is the hide comments option available at the top of the screen, where it also says the Instagram will automatically move a variety of comments, such as those that are potentially offensive or spam, to a separate section. Make sure the toggle icon is turned on for that. And after that, you can also see the hide comments option available at the bottom of the screen, where you will be able to manage some custom words and phrases. Tap over here and add some words which you want to be filtered out on Instagram. Let's go back, make sure to turn on the toggle icon on the hide comment section over here after you have added your words, and then many of your comments also will be hidden. And then guys, this is how to hide Instagram comments. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.